Hey everybody, John Steyer, Steyer Flooring, the Floorinator. Check out my view today at work, but let me show you something here. So this room total is 30 feet wide by 80 feet long. I'll just walk you through here. But I'm gonna try something here. So if you look in here, you got right there's a seam, right there's a seam. And then right across there, you can see the profiling peaking. What I'm gonna try, we're gonna try something here, is I've got this all stretched in, but I'm gonna try again to take another stretch the length of the carpet. And I'm hoping what that's gonna do is where it's peaked up, it'll actually maybe cause those sides of the tape to kind of curl up. And that might take some of that peaking out. We're gonna find out, don't know. I had a conversation with another installer friend of mine, and he had suggested something like that. So let's give it a shot. I got about another inch, 3/4 of an inch out of that right there, just that way. I'll set it and I'll show you guys. Actually, Reese, you want to come just over here and show them how much I stretched off that? You can see, we put this in 2 days ago. I got that much off. I'm actually going to turn it around now and go that way with it. All right, so we got it turned around. We're going to go the other way now. Like I said, that seam's running right here, so we're just going to take hopefully another inch. We can get another inch out of it this way. I'll move the stretcher over. We'll look to see if it even did anything. We were able to stretch again. You can see I got another right on that seam. That thing is tight. All right, we'll check in with you here shortly, see if it did anything. All right, guys, it's all stretched, it's all vacuumed. You tell me, what does it look like? I don't know. I would definitely say those hard stretches helped out a ton. I mean, there is just an unbelievable amount of natural light. Now, I'm gonna flip you around real quick. I want you to look the other way. You can just see all the crazy shadowing. I mean, you got shadowing, light, shadow, and just a lot of craziness going on here. But clickety-clack, kaboom. On my phone. Might be time for a new phone. They could have like an iPhone Floorinator out, don't they, guys? All right, guys. Well, thanks again for watching. Boom, we did it. We got it done. This might be the biggest residential room I've ever done. I'd have to really look back and think about it, but there's over 200 yards up here. So let's go. Have a good one.